any question, I can take it right away.
Mr. CEO.
Yes, please.
This is going to be marking your 5 years anniversary. What else should people expect that is new in this community?
What else should people expect? I've just mentioned that we've been working with a lot of brands within the country. One of the things you should expect in the next 5 years is having brand that is known all over Africa. That's why we are starting with 3rd of June with the African Joker from Zambia. 2, we also want to grow this outside Gulu. As we are opening 5 years, my vision is to move this to other districts that do not have this, among us which already we have Lira lined, we have Kitgum lined. And we are not just moving to the major towns, we are also moving deep to the roots. That means villages and trading centers. Because whenever people are drawing plans, they forget about those ones down at the grassroots. Yet they also deserve happiness. And talking about it, they are the most affected people who need happiness. So we're doing tours within those places and also opening our weekly shows or monthly shows in the major towns of northern Uganda. That includes Lira and Kitgum.
Now, what if someone who is outside there wants to come and be part of the competition? Where can the person get the tickets and how much does the tickets ranges for?
Well, weekly comedy show, we charge 20,000 at the entrance. But since this one of 3rd of June is special, we are charging 30,000 for those who can get the tickets before the day of the event. And then we are charging 50,000 at the gate. Let this be very clear. We are charging 30,000 for those who can get the tickets before, yes, it's called early birds, of which I'm also proud to announce that out of the 150 early bird tickets, we've sold already 120. We only have space for 30. So if you can still utilize the little time and buy early birds, there are 30 tickets left. And then gates is 50, VIP is 70,000, and table 4, which comes with Castorlight, the way you see it here, is at 300,000 VIP tables. Table 4, you come with your 4 friends, like 1, 2, 3. We kick this guy out of it. It's just the 4 of us. Yeah, it's 300,000, but you can come and have fun. There will be Castorlight on such tables. And of course, you know, soft drinks to refresh you up. That's what comedy is about. And well, maybe just to give you an insight, it is not just about African Joker. Ever since we started comedy in Gulu, the man who is on the artwork called Napoleon Emma has proven to be the dying of Laugh with the Owakabi comedy show. The last comedy we had, Napoleon gave us a straight 45 minutes laugh and left when we felt like it was just the beginning. So he's back on the lineup. He's going to usher in the African Joker. Napoleon Emma is the wise man from the East, and you should look forward to his performance on 3rd of June. We've been talking about it. We've not changed the venue, and I want you to mark it clearly. The venue is Boma Hotel. What might change is if the early bird tickets are done this week and all the tables are done, what might change is the venue where the hall where we sit. If the weather favors us, we'll sit at the poolside. If the weather is not best, we'll sit inside the hall. Yes. Any more questions? Anyone else with a different question, maybe? Okay, you maybe kimalo malo, we can do luo. Kimalo malo we lock le pajo. Dakika mama na kuno wa wote summarizing kagwak la pen mo bino chi wabijolo. Well, Amira 4 to 12 in manati nanawa. Amira 4 cholo ngea matikan. Amira 4 media partners ma megwa. Akidong online streaming platforms manogitie Kenyo. Amira 4 Lakwed magitiega streaming one live. Amira 4 to 12 Luo Tune. Amira 4 comedians Matia around. Agedong Madite Loyo. Amirni 4 Nile Breweries. Tutwale Castor Light Brand Mamegi. Bia Mamit Tutwal Mamul Ku. Pemer Dana Tao Berbia Pajomanyang. Agedong Madita Amira 4 One Luo TV Kachelki Radio Ruping. Magitie Kedwa Kakaini. Watie tin kalok tutwale kimalo malo. Event Matie Kabira Nyim, Kiluoni Laugh with the Owakabi International Comedy Festival. Ma futia chakine manara wachak Laugh with the Owakabi Comedy Show. Watie ka kwero kere mwaka mea biche. Ento bena chakine me beruki International Comedian. Mano tie borwa igulu kakaini. Andi Boma Hotel. Inino dua dek medwe ma bichel. Matters Day wabibedu ki comedian maaki Zambia Lusaka nye kilwoni the African Joker en bitu kati kidege kabino poro iba dege madit entebe kaki entebe kwanyo yo neme bino gulu en bino mamege tie tutwale me poko yom chwin kidok me kwero mwaka beach mawano tie ka kwero neni ka kwero mwaka beach machalo Laugh with the Owakabi Comedy Show pe wakwero kenwa wakwero ki jo mateno kwot kedwa kwero ki Aphrodis wakwero ki Solid Events meno team palotino vulimati very dedicated to organizing classic parties, classic events within the city. Ladit Igwe Lewis 4 to 12 ka chelki team megi kawa medikwero mwaka beach wakwero brands mabe magi supporting comedy chalo Nile Breweries Limited kibran mamegi Castor Light kidong bere kama wabedi yeni kilwoni Password Lounge kayini yo gulu kabere madong chwago lutieno pajo tutwal onyogoye wepa lutieno pajo dano name yeke kuchi ma kimulo kabere ne standard de be tutwal kilwoni Password Lounge kimeno bere no mira wachini wabibedo ki after party me Laugh with the Owakabi Comedy Show bibedo I Password Launch men official announcement ma miringe yes mapira teke loyo wano no miro wati meni we all to bidding age manaka wachak event pe watimo press conference kibene pe wa no chao kene jo ken tie manok pegeting e ngoma titime ye watini logo tumo ko wen malil gimadon wati ko na era ye pa the African Joker makaya no buo kedma wayubu kere buo ni rio adek before ni no performance kado bino bedo gulu bulimo bene Jimmy mogo mabejo magulu kan kabedo ma wano neno uno mabejo madano waka kere magwe gulu dong be leng tutwal kabedo mawuno ngeo chala Falls pa patero kama history wati ye kacha wanonge buchera moro kaneno kama nini chon dano chimo dano ki mudugu jomone gituj moge gituj way biritij petwer so wabi nyote kabedo ego de way waka cheng wen bene dore wilobogi chero wajo ki joma kuno be pagulu ki Jimmy mamere gulu wachamo buchamo pedoko itami chame ki pao chef mo ki chen obuchamo en la koro voga akeo gieno irupu chamo ko mapajo kakaini so en kabedo maen biberi ya mera 4 to 12 hotel Acholi di gulu kan for security purpose para ma mentioning ko beti bara mera 4 to 12 again memini wa offer me accommodation ki Jimmy mukene go ko welewa for matek yes the African Joker ma ki Zambia ini pe wabi gire kome wabi mede wara nyima nyim wabi no comedian mukene ma perom me mi ulise wen ento giti gina beach and kita kweno chake June obutumi dwe ma para chel manyuti every month omire expecting nying madit idon kakaini tutwale ilafu the Owakabi comedy show atama foyo pe mira du lok maduong kala pen mamu kene tia be kwanyo kangat mati mero ticket yele kitek meneno ni ikupe kedwa ticket one per what chat physical tickets because of duplication and the losses that come with it. We are doing strictly gen mamono luoni digital sales. Digital sales no itiuki mobile money. Ka unity mero ticket for instance alibad mati alipiara deke ichere depositing chene chimi kai depositing chene chimi ichere partner reason kai choy ni ichoy full names mamegi kai choy full names mamegi ichwalo chene message dugi chimi chochot mano nyoro ni Igwe Lewis icholo pe table mamegi ali mia dek onyo Igwe Lewis icholo pe ali bad ticket mamegi ali piara dek onyo Banana Joe ichulo pe VIP ticket mamegi ali piara bero dugu kinyi chidongen ticket enoni aye donyo kere gate kopi neno ti do gate kopi na yini bedo kere chim mamegi atamo yo ne ma check eno kimalo malo tables still mia def kero dana ngwen bino ki ko castolite wie kidong bino ki soft drink yeah ali piara bero VIP table I mean VIP single ibero ene kin wege table lano yini bedo keni agidong ali piara beach pe one ma chao kanano wanone wilo ticket chon to twale yelo we wa yela noni mir supporting direct get ali piara beach kido gate but ali bad kid ma waju kere tie ali piara dek kiken yes don't gen piara dek piara no waker gen mia piara beach kubedi ma logo ni mia chel piario we a chel donc we logo donc piario bungwen actually so atamo a 4 to 12 joma berka chwa wapikare ni a 4 to 12 joma will tickets dio before te kora amera 4 to 12 joma giti tayari maginoni ninda dek umir wa making history la karachel afoyo kibere mafupia again a close amera 4 comedians magitie ka yele to 12 jui ki jui manero ni giyele donc representing kumalo bene a line me comedy wotik comedy di ngo mukene mangarumo romo o chubo chene na pedo lanye watiki live band performance magino bu performing before comedy Maakibo team makiloni as usual team magetiyu ye ena ye the actor events the photo the extra catch my unity neno for neno do adeki actor events ayo butiyu manogi yubu we a bam gi yubu match maleng mabe makai neno comedian bino kere lik wangenyero pia no ite neno ko maleng adida kidong amironi afo jo mukene makom gi pe kanyano gin wengiti partners magiteno kwot kedwa amera for Coca-Cola amera for Safe Border Uganda Safe Border food pay gulu but kai unity Kampala Paul Kareneni itiyu ki Safe Border akidong amera for to 12 Boma Hotel 5-star hotel the best hotel in the city and they have variety of things to offer for you. And I want to appreciate Fidama. Fidama again getting a screen, getting more digital advertising. Kayini nen iti di gulukan. No matter how small your business is, no matter how big it is, neni ikupe ke Fidama. Getting a screen matie choke kabedo ma kiluni Cemetery Road, Paul Dano ngayoni opposite Buganda Pub unyo Stand Big Bank. Kabia charnitie inichero bodgi ki konye ki yobo advert mabe ka ki carry screen mano konyo metie lokore ki biashara ni onyo ki yele mamegi kid mano iti yele kere kido amira for to twal elegant suit up oberi joma pol kare ka watiki wele nyo watiki yoba madiet gen rogo wa menu Jeff ka chel ki team mamege for matek kido amira for no luo tunes gen konyo wa advertising online of course gen mere gi pegi pat gen kamo ki ken magi manye no tieno mi update marache bere no go mi update yeah ngarmane ti nyerie joma miyo news pe miero mi news side achiel ken miero mi news ario weng mabek marach konyo telo yirwa duogo wa yo mati yes mabeni konyo wa me wa wati wario mati kido amira for government agency gin konyo wa marketing amira bene for no north fly gin konyo wa ki marketing kidong Lakwed TV gin tie bene online airpole gin kwero lokomio kore kagi kelo kamaleng ibiashara mamigi history gin mere ngola across political ngo entertainment eno berlutino pajo magiti yele menero ni kumala wani kongdako beri map kid maneni chon tikere onyo bene no bed madit lawyer kido amira for one luo TV television achiel kiken kumalo me Uganda malogo leba chuli dok jimi ne weng tie jimi me pajo tie ka ilo nying paje ruamala mal gimini wangech mati kidong gala wang ruamala mal kidong me agike amira for radio station maulwenyo tutwal pikuch kiyom twin kidong lobo men radio ruping itegen mamegi vision group for to 12 for management kachel ki marketing team mau ki vision group bene atamo kadong pekumeno no lok mo maduong to 12 pere gwa kache gwa ngar mo tiki gimo kinwani mano mir metune manok mafut pia ai dakika kera rio ikan we ngat maloy with comedians barana jo ko lok matiri mo en pol kare kono pe ki lok aduong ero tin abia ko ni ramolok opo.
Yeah, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Banana Joe How. So we're well prepared for that day, 3rd June. Okay, we're local blue. We're all done here from there. One much Latino party, Uganda. We are trying, but that time we do me kind of well.
Look, I never truly don't go try.
Aruba, what is it? This is the mix. So once you're ready, I take comedian or joke on Mati Vice, Yom Timea, Meteguana. I take a kata and a lay, money, Giluangilubo. I take a comlo, I take a plumbing, Manolo, knee on a big, you know. So Selena and T-Boy, what a Timoriazo, comedy one for family. Okay, better give my money, it better like a bunny, let my in when you rat to the family. And Jim, I want to logo for you, Benedano, you can gang. So let Mama Caro that coin now when my bird with money. So what you Riazo every day, Riazo land practice. What a Timone car shell, Jello family shell, where did mother Benet, la which could be pay border and near Boko Dogme, Uganda Quilla. See the chair like campaign politics capital. So sit the chair like I'm not going Gulu. My God, doctor look at Gulu. So more on Gulu and we'll learn a Gulu country, Kampala to sit. So medical doctor in and we are trying very hard. Germany Merotime, we're well organized. German what your Timone. Maybe I made a fall down. What kill at all? 3 years to EPN. Ain't no parity. Wabatimo, Kilemono, Acholi, Bangarangegi Swele, Wabatu, more levater. Uganda, Bangarang, you mix. Look, so everyone is welcome, whether you're in Kampala, East Africa, anywhere, if you want to see African jokers. So you're most welcome. Want to ready? Yeah, you're to 12. So if you're lady, you're a lender, you're okay.
Fine.
Come with your boyfriend. If you're fat and you have a boyfriend, fine. Let your boyfriend love you if you're fat. let your boyfriend love you with your trademark. Thank you so much.
For to 12. Pewa Ramo Bedo, a comedy press conference, Pewa Bedo ki performance. Kur kada wa wote dolo da. Uye we ka luong comedian a chel mo yuek to 12. Ma dit ma check ngej may wiye level goganela mal nye kiloni ojo kwon. Kwadong ting ojo kwon mene wa closing performance. Ojo kwon dakika mo straight punch line.
Nag-iada ko wa chile ka. Lakwed nga po unway mga biro kana na press conference man mo tsaka niyan matyan ini man mi Lakwed Owakabi Comedy International Festival mabit mi inian dia mi do mi abichel matas de ko niyan pa jo mago diere mi yedini i Uganda ini ko no tamano ko ele ka chel kir no wata ko mo abana beach mo wari kere me balne ma pol ko wa tongo wiye tire ni ati ke yum fin mada ni duya dek mo karangich an machal ju kwon achak bi achara me ko gwene muni ke gwene akarioni da ti ko mudo yo weng piane kan kai ne an ke chen e twer bek ne nyire ni mon wane ni nyibe na tela yale ma ta so ne pe e lo da ke bi no chok era church ne pe tem ke ne no be bi no ni chen na ba na pe da an a ke te gwana kamo adong bere met lo ki wilolo bien bete gwana ne chake ma ga men te waj ni dano chak chamo gwana wati ko jolo wele makara aliba dek ite gwana ke nyo gwana pian de man pa gwana te ko nyaari de kita me ka wete gwana do ber gwana kana yedo te gwana te ka ber ma ber mera de lo ne me te gwana foi mata.
Well, we're 4 to 12. We'll have another press conference. Menoka Doinen, the African Joker, will have another press conference. Of course, no, we're preparing one to the event. But my parents tell you, a Lego ni bed kikuch, non ticket, ma megi before, non ticket ti, kun piyin mano guagamit no ticket, tiki na machim jera bera ngwen, piera boro we achel, jera boro, piera ngwen na boro. Yele ki tiki na ni no ticket chon, booking pi family ni table, where bedi kara menyer kedwa, inir machalo meno. Foj ma did bot solid events, kidong team mo duju, mau yele me beru kedwa, inir matin, Nile Brewers Limited, akidong Aphrodis, Pato Photography, Acta Events, Lakwed, Luo Tunes, kidong uno duju, One Luo TV, kachel ki Radio Rupin, Wafoy Womatek, Wamaru, Walego, Wala Church, Umade Gwoku, Dog Yele Mamegu Mapat. Wafoyo. Maybe before we leave, we can all raise and